so many fares, so many passengers. I'd hire someone to help me process them all, but I'm afraid it would just free me up to panic about something else. Right, here's one. I've set the pickup location. It's way out in the countryside. Where's the passenger? Oh, hurry up before you get rained on. I've calculated your optimum route and uploaded it to your onboard computer, because it's not as if I don't have 1,000 other things to do.
You alright? I'm soaking wet, thanks for asking. And now I'm putting mud all over your nice clean car and... Ugh! Can you just take me home to Broadway, please? Lovely weather today, she says. How about a walk in the country, she says. No need to take an umbrella, she says. What could possibly go wrong? From the festival. Like the damp though, don't you? Slipping and sliding all over the place. You know what's funny? Where I'm from, we get rained on about 150 days a year. And we're still surprised when it happens. I'm gonna go inside and have a cup of tea and a very long, very hot bath. Thanks for saving me. You go enjoy the weather. Glad it's fun for someone.